You just have to follow 2 steps and you can start making money on Binance. If you are someone who can write different articles, whether short or long articles, this is a good opportunity for you to make passive earnings. The first step is to complete your account verification on Binance, and after that you need to set up a nickname and an avatar on Binance Square. I will provide the link in the description that you can utilize in order to register your account. And for the second step, you just have to share your thoughts. As simple as that. But make sure that while sharing up your thoughts, you add a cash tag, which is the ticker for any particular crypto that you are talking about. Like if you are talking about the Bitcoin volatility, then you can simply tag Bitcoin with the $sign, or you can also add the candle chart widget for that particular coin. And in our example, it is Bitcoin. And the algorithms of Binance will detect the coin that you are talking about in your article. And any person out there on Binance Square trades using your article after clicking on that particular ticker, you would be getting commissions for it. Just imagine if you can talk about 10 different cryptos on daily basis, it would be 300 articles per month, and even if 10% of articles get some amount of views and some amount of clicks, you would start making money, and you can earn as much as 30% in commissions. If you are in the top 10, you would be getting basic 5% commission and 25% bonus commission, which will be total 30%. If you are in top 30 but lower than top 10, then you would still be getting 5% bonus, and it would make total of 10% commission. Even if you are not in the top 30, you would still be getting 5% commission. Just imagine if someone trades using your article, and even if they trade for around $10,000, you would still be getting 5% in the commissions. And if you can publish a good amount of articles, then you would be getting good amount of money as well. Now it all depends completely on you how you are going to utilize it, but I can give you one idea, which is that even if you don't have the technical or the fundamental knowledge of cryptos, you can still talk about them by reading different news articles and then just rephrasing that particular article on Binance Square. And you can also talk about the volatility in crypto market due to Fed decisions and the rate cuts. And anyone reading that particular article, if they clicks on it and makes any trade, it doesn't matter whether they are trading in futures or the spot wallet or any other trading, you would still be getting the commission out of it. But before jumping into this particular campaign, make sure that your country is eligible for this, and also make sure that Binance qualifies you for the articles. The rewards will be distributed on weekly basis, and it will be given to you in funding wallet of your Binance account, and it should be more than or equals to 0.1 FDUSD, and they will be giving it out to you by every Thursday. I just hope you can find ways to exploit this particular earning opportunity, and you can also utilize AI if you want to. I'm just saying, but make it look quite real and also put in effort so actually you earn out of it. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you want to see more such helpful videos from our channel, then make sure to subscribe and also hit that like button if this video was helpful. See you in the next one.